Fred Fiedler developed his theory of situational leadership, known as the contingency leadership model. Fiedler's model was one of the first formalized management theories, which suggested that there are two distinct types of leadership style, and there is a best leadership style for any given situation. The best leadership style is determined by the situation or task at hand, the group that needs to be led, and the power relationship between the leader and the group. The two types of leadership styles are relationship oriented leaders and task oriented leaders. These leaders are determined by the LPC, or least preferred coworker scale. The first step to pairing the correct leader with the situation is to assess the situation, asking what is the structure of the task, how clearly defined is the goal, and can the task be solved. The level of clarity around objectives and goodwill between team members will define the type of leader who is appropriate. Once you have assessed the situation, you must assess the leader's position of power with the group, ability to obtain acceptance, and ability to engender loyalty. Consider the example of a commercial flight which has a structured task, a powerful leader, and, in theory, good leader-member relations. Here you want a task-oriented pilot to take charge. You don't want a relationship-oriented leader discussing with the group how best to land the plane. The merits of this theory are that it examines leadership types and pairs them with specific situations. It explains why some leaders are unsuccessful in their business. It identifies the best leader for the job and encourages building capacity. The limitations of the theory are that it assumes there are only two types of leadership styles and that leadership styles are relatively permanent. But begs the question, what if another leader is not available? Or what happens if the leader falls in the middle of the scale? Despite its limitations, Fiedler's contingency leadership theory is seen by many as an accurately intuitive model, which today has many applications across organizations.